Hello and welcome back to Unit 5, Shape and Space. In this tutorial, we will be solving an exercise about enlargement. We will go through it step by step and see the final solution. The exercise says, enlarge the triangle by scale factor -2 with center of enlargement 1 and 1. So, the first step is to always mark the center, and then the next step is to see how many steps is the point away from the center. And I'm going to go ahead and connect all 3 points to the center and then see how far is it. As for the first point of the triangle, it is only 1 step up away from the center of enlargement. So, since the scale factor is -2, I have to go 2 steps and down, and since it's minus and not +2. So that is for the first point. Now for the second point, it is 1 step to the left and then 1 step up. So to enlarge this with a scale factor of -2, you have to go 2 steps to the right and then 2 steps down. And that is to mark the second point of this triangle. Now as for the third and final point of this triangle, it is 1 step to the left and then 3 steps up. And to enlarge this with a scale factor of -2, you have to go 2 steps to the right and then 6 steps down. And again, this is because we have a scale factor -2 and not +2. So everything is ×2 but opposite direction. So after finding the third and final point, I'm going to go ahead and connect these 3 new points in pink, and which will form our new triangle, which is actually the solution for the exercise.